Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on what is, for now, as of, what time is it, 2:30 in the afternoon. Still a quiet, partly sunny, summery day, but we do anticipate some storms, some thunderstorms, and heavy downpours to be working through very late this afternoon and into the early evening. So as of 2:30, things are relatively quiet, but that will change over the next several hours. First, severe thunderstorm watch. As for the areas in yellow, it does not include southeastern Mass, does not include Newport County. That doesn't mean you won't get thunderstorms. What this map is trying to represent here is that the areas in yellow have the potential for severe thunderstorms, meaning that there's the possibility, and this is in effect until 8 o'clock this evening. We're tracking the storms that are off to our west. Let me show you Doppler radar. And you can see there is one severe thunderstorm warning. And again, we're recording this as of 2:30 in the afternoon. Things change hour by hour. We got a severe thunderstorm, Windsor Locks. This is Hartford. This is the Connecticut, Rhode Island border. You got another severe thunderstorm warning up in Worcester, up in here. So these storms are tracking, here's a wider view. Now these storms are tracking off to the east and northeast. So see another severe thunderstorm. This polygon right in here represents a severe thunderstorm warning. And note the purple outline around the polygon. And what this means is that, some of these thunderstorms may have some rotation within them. We can look inside these storms with our Doppler radar, and that's something that we're going to be watching very closely. There's two kinds of damaging wind: straight line wind, which is the more common wind damage expected in some of these thunderstorms. And the other is that if we have rotation within the thunderstorm, there's the possibility of an isolated tornado. That chance is there, but it's very low. But there is that risk, albeit low. And obviously, even a low chance needs to be brought to attention, and that's something that we'll watch closely. These storms, they love to feed on not only humid air, but air that's very warm. And look at these temperatures as of 2 o'clock. So this is more or less fuel for some of these storms as they try to approach the area late this afternoon. So we do keep our threat tracker elevated for late afternoon and early evening. And then we're back on track later tonight. So severe storm outlook. Notice the areas in yellow have the higher risk of, well, first of all locations have the risk of severe thunderstorms. But the higher risk is in this yellow area, and it's more of a marginal risk, essentially south and east of Providence. Heavy rain, damaging wind, hail, isolated tornado, very small risk of that, but one that has to be mentioned. And we take it through the forecast hour by hour, starting at 2 o'clock. And here we are at 4 o'clock. Storm's getting closer. So it's essentially between roughly 4 and about 8, 9 p.m., this area of storms, showers, and thunderstorms coming through. I think once we get beyond, say, 9 o'clock in the evening, things will be quieting down. So now through early evening, be weather aware. Not all locations will get a severe thunderstorm, but the risk is there. And then beyond, say, 9 o'clock in the evening, things will be quieting down.